The Performance Distributor's Hot Forged Distributor features a hot forged aluminum housing that's CNC machined versus a billet aluminum housing that allows for a lower cost unit with higher strength. It's loaded with an oil impregnated bronze bushing that the shaft rides on for a long service life. The shaft also is fitted with a steel distributor gear for use with roller camshafts. The cap has brass terminals which are better conducting than the aluminum terminals found on the stock distributor cap. The Dyna-Mod ignition module, also called a TFI module, gives you a longer coil saturation time which allows for a longer spark duration that helps give you the better idle, fuel economy, and higher horsepower. To remove the distributor from your 5-liter Mustang, you want to go ahead and remove the distributor cap, and then make a note of where the rotor is pointing and where your TFI module is pointing, because you'll want to line up the new distributor in the same location. Unplug the TFI module, then grab you a 1/2-inch socket with a ratchet and completely remove the hold down bolt and hold down bracket for the distributor. Then lift the distributor up and out of the engine. Every hot forged distributor includes a package of camshaft lubrication. This packet is to be used, drizzle some down onto the camshaft and put some on the steel gear on the end of the distributor, and then you can go ahead and install it into place. Slide the distributor down into the block, lining up the rotor with the oil pump shaft and the camshaft, and rotate it around to where it's pointing back in the same direction as the old distributor, and then line up the TFI module to where it's pointing the same direction as on the old distributor. Reinstall the hold down clamp and bolt. Plug in your TFI module. Now on top of the cap, the firing order is 1, 3, 7, 2, 6, 5, 4, and 8. The coil is in the center. Transfer your spark plug wires over to the new distributor cap. Swapping out your distributor was fairly straightforward, and it'll provide years of trouble-free service. Now, whenever replacing your distributor, it's a great time to go ahead and change out your spark plugs and upgrade your plug wires and ignition coil. For these ignition parts and more, check out latemodelrestoration.com.